Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is May 26th, 2019, and what I wanted to talk to you about today is how to keep your pansies blooming. Now this is the Pansy Swiss Giants mix, and you can see here they are just blooming away in the greenhouse. They are waiting to actually be transplanted. So one of the ways to keep your pansies blooming is to remove any seed pods that would form, and you can just do like that, and to remove any spent blossoms, and that will help to keep your pansies blooming. Now you can give these a 15-30-15 bloom boost. That will help them continue to bloom as well. And these are growing out in the greenhouse. I started them from seed. I have a video on my YouTube channel for how I started them from seed to transplanting them. So these are actually waiting to be transplanted outside. Now I did move them out to the greenhouse. The greenhouse was finished after I had started these from seed indoors. So they got moved outside then. But I love the colors of these. Here's a blue one. This is a real pretty vibrant blue one. This one here is actually spent. But when this one's first coming, it is a beautiful vibrant blue color. And these down here are the orange sun pansies, which is also part of the Swiss Giants mix. But I just wanted to give you this quick video update here. And if you plant your pansies in the ground and you let them reseed, they will come back for you. They will readily reseed themselves, but they will stop blooming if you let them go to seed. So I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in zone 5B, and I normally get my pansies to continue blooming for me continuously. So I just wanted to add that in there for you. But they will happily reseed themselves. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button all the times I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I will have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!